Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust the DPI levels for Logitech G403 Hero. And to do this you'll need to download Logitech G Hub on your PC. It's software that allows us to change the settings for this mouse. And inside you should see the mouse. Now make sure that onboard memory is off, otherwise you won't be able to change those settings. Now click on your mouse and here's the sensitivity, DPI, and you can adjust its levels right here for each of the presets. There's 4 of them, and for example here let's go for 600 and we can click on the DPI button on our mouse to change between different profiles. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.